In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Volume Master to Chrome. Volume Master is a simple, free Chrome extension that lets you control the volume of individual tabs, which is handy if one site is too quiet or another is blasting. This works on desktop versions of Google Chrome, not on mobile, so make sure you're on a computer before you begin. Start by opening Google Chrome. Then head to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for extensions. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top and type Volume Master. You'll see a list of results. Look for the extension called Volume Master, typically published by Peta Sidek. Check that you're on the correct listing so you get the right tool. When you're ready, click the Add to Chrome button on the extensions page. A small prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and this usually takes just a few seconds. You might see a brief message letting you know it's been added. After the installation finishes, make it easy to access by pinning it to your toolbar. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the Extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. A small menu will open showing your installed extensions. Find Volume Master in that list, then click the pin icon next to it. Pinning places the Volume Master icon permanently on your toolbar, so you don't have to open the Extensions menu each time. You'll be able to reach it instantly whenever you need it. A few quick tips and notes before you start using it. Volume Master is free and lightweight, so it won't bog down your browser. However, be cautious about pushing audio to maximum levels for long periods. Extremely high volume can introduce distortion, reduce audio quality, and over time may damage your speakers or headphones. Aim for a comfortable level that's clear without clipping. Also remember that extensions like this work only on desktop Chrome. If you're using Chrome on a phone or tablet, you won't be able to install it. Finally, if you try to add the extension and see a message that installation is blocked, it may be because your school or workplace account restricts extensions. In that case, you'll need appropriate permission to proceed. That's all there is to it. You've added Volume Master to Chrome and pinned it for quick access, so it's ready whenever you need more precise control over tab audio.